guys, today we'll be playing DEVILONIA, aka fighting story chef chance. If you want to hear it much better, you should play headphone. So yeah, let's go. Wait. I'm going to play with color. And if you want to know something, yesterday I just played this, so yeah, I may remember some attacks. But this is hardish stuff when you met the pirate. Come on, little bro. So, you're here. I just realized you're not you anymore. I mean, Chris, you're not them. Well, okay then. I have a better provision to you. Because you want to have fun. I will let you go if you beat Mary right now. So what do you say about this day? Birds are singing, flowers are blooming, dust is scattering. On days like these, humans like us should be praying for mercy. I did not see that coming. Alright. Damn. Me too. What? You thought that you can hurt me so easily? Hilariously. Yeah, I know. No! Alright, now let's play this game. Oh god. Let me ask, how does it feel? Gain more and more AoE, fill your sins. Nope. Oh no! Oh god. I haven't prayed. In the end, you're the one to blame. Yeah, I need to pray. Look at my heart. Oh, and your senseless life. Yeah, you wish. Thank you for your attention. I'm going to reset for a lot of time. Nice to meet you. Oh my god! Yeah, one more prayer, yeah. Oh yes. You fell nothing at all. You gained 40 HP, 1 player left. Give up. As if you already... Wicked, bro! Wicked! Ugh. Oh god, this is gonna be the hardest. Well, Pirates, choose Ruins Caretaker. Hey! You may have a crush on him. Did what you have done to him? Nope. I can tell you that I will die a lot of time doing this. Die! God! Alright, here we go again. Nope. Oh my god, I did it! Holy crap! Surprised by that makes Darn! It's so hard! You know what? Let's just move on to another game. I already gave up. This is so hard, dude. Alright. The second game. Undertale Yellow. For years, monsters have been sealed away with a powerful curse, I think. Spell. Okay. Whoops. No! For years, monsters have been sealed away with a powerful spell. A spell that could only be broken with 7 human souls. Is all of those justice? For me. Their king was peaceful and wished to avoid any more fighting. As if. But finally, declared that any human who fell would die in the hands of Asgore, Mountain Edbut. Few people have climbed this mountain, but none survive, I think. Those who have were never seen again. I think the Devilonia is better. I'm gonna try that. How you have to make it a badass entrance, but no one will see you. How sad. Undertale. Yellow. Lego. Press Z to enter. Clover level 323.40. Dark Ruins Hall. Continue reset. Dude, how can I justice reset? So yeah, I'm gonna press the G. Dude, what? Oh, so this is why. I need to die! Somebody help me die! Alright, here we go. We're falling now. Walk. Hey. Oh my god, Chloe! Told you this all was justice. The mysterious gold lady scared the frogget away. Duh. Hello. Are you alright? You must be wondering what is going on. Do not worry, little one. I am Toriel, caretaker of the ruins. I come here every day to see if anyone has fallen down. It does not happen often. You are the first one in a long time. Follow me. I will help you get through the ruins. There are puzzles all over the ruins. They must be solved in order to proceed to the next room. Do not worry though. I will help you get through them. Come on, why can I walk? Alright. You are free to proceed now. Follow me, my child. There are more puzzles ahead. In this room, you need to trigger some switches. And do not worry, the one you need to press are labeled. Oh, splendid. I am proud of you, my child. It should have opened by now. Maybe it was broken. I was sure I leveled the correct lever. Ah, no worry, my child. Try pressing the other one. Why don't you just press it your own? My child! And you fall down. My child, do not worry, I'm coming. Oh dear. I'll find another way down there. Do not fret. Just be careful. Or stay put, okay? I can't lose you. Not again. I'll be right there. Undertale yellow. And you've fallen down, haven't you? Why can't I move? Wow, that scared me. Oh, let's check. The sun is obscured by leaves. Guess I go here then. How is that a horror game? Wee. Flowey. Howdy! I'm Flowey the Flower. You look confused. Toil also taught you how things work down here already. She didn't? Ah yes, little old me will have to do then. Ready? Here we go. See that hat? That is your soul. The very combination of your billion. Your LV represent your love. It's I'm sure you won't have to worry about that. In the underground, monster may try to attack you, duh. You see these bullets like these, you need to avoid them. You need to avoid them at all costs. Try dodging them bullets now. Here I come. Come here. Give me the bullets. Hey, sorry about that. Let's try again. Here they come. Dodge them all. What are you doing? Dodge the bullets. Don't mess it up this time. Okay. Hey, you sicko, are you doing it on purpose? Fine, I'll just stop setting them then. Since you're bad at dodging bullets, I will have to save your progress for you. That means that if something bad happens, I can make it unhappen for you. Oh, you probably want to go home, don't you? Well, you've got a long journey ahead. If you ever need to save, come look for me. I leave this little thing around for you. Oh. That way it's easy to find me. If you see one, don't hesitate to call me. Then I'll save for you, like I just saved for you right now. There's one more thing. The king of all monsters, Asgore. He's been killing humans. The only way out is killing him and, well, you're pretty small. Size doesn't matter too much though. What matters is you've got me on your side. I'll let you get going. Please be careful. There are all sorts of dangerous traps down here, and some of the monsters in this place. I hear they don't like visitors, so good luck. Howdy. Looks like you got it then. Alright, another time. Why the long face, Paul? Don't worry, this place is way better than up there. That old lady would have just spoiled all of our fun. Come on, let's not stand here around all day. Okay. You really only need one save? Do you not trust me or something? Come on, I'm your pal. I got your back. Okay, one more. You should get going. Okay, fine, Flowey. Like, okay. This place is so rusty. How's that? Hey. I'm looking for to buy a boat. Know anyone selling? Nope. Nope. So sorry, cute little thing. You win. You earn 2 gold and 3 XP. It's fine. It says exclusively nice for new letters. I think it's fun. Oh god, why do I have to fight this cute little thing? Confirm. This isn't really me. Yeah, you should know that. Because I'm literally dying.